If you have a long list of suppliers and want to register them in MetaCenter v3 without adding them individually, you can streamline the process by importing the list. This method saves time, reduces manual effort, and ensures data accuracy. Importing also promotes system consistency, supports scalability as your supplier base grows, and enhances reporting for informed decision-making. Before proceeding, you must first download and fill out the suppliers template from the MetaCenter v3 suppliers panel. This template ensures that all supplier information is entered in a standardized format, reducing errors and ensuring compatibility with the system. To begin, navigate to the procurement module and select the suppliers panel, which will redirect you to the supplier details window. From here, click on the Actions tab and select Import Suppliers. In the pop-up window, click the Download button to obtain the template. Once downloaded, open the template and fill in the relevant supplier information, such as supplier name, contact details, and address. Make sure to complete all mandatory fields accurately to prevent data issues during the import process. After filling in the template, review the data to ensure its accuracy and completeness. This step is critical to avoid errors that could disrupt the import process or result in incorrect supplier details. Once reviewed, save the template as an Excel document in the XLSX format or CSV, which is necessary for compatibility with MetaCenter v3. Next, return to the Import Supplier window in MetaCenter v3 and click on Choose to locate the saved template on your computer. Choose the file and click Select to load it into the system, allowing MetaCenter v3 to read and prepare the data for import. Finally, click the Import button to complete the process. This action registers all suppliers in bulk, saving time and ensuring accurate, standardized data entry. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your supplier database, enhancing procurement efficiency and supporting seamless system integration. Please note that you can download your list of suppliers in either Excel or CSV format, depending on your preference. Additionally, you have the option to print the supplier list by simply clicking on the Print button. From this window, you can select your preferred printer and print a hard copy of the list.